Hello everyone. I hope that you've had a refreshing weekend, that you've had a chance to enjoy some activities and maybe have a little bit of downtime. I was able to do that this weekend by enjoying the World Cup. I can't believe that month has already flown by, but had a chance to watch the Germans today as they were able to defeat the Argentinians 1-0, and so now we have new champions in terms of the World Cup. And so just like that month has flown by with the World Cup, it's amazing to me how quickly our semester has wrapped up and how we are now into week 8 of the semester. And so you'll notice that I have graded your final reflective analysis, so take a look at my feedback. As always, feel free to let me know if you have any questions. And so as we take a look at week 8, you'll notice that the topic for this week is around innovations and then the consequences of those new advances that actually occur for us. And from my perspective, the one reading that we have assigned this week really deals with how we manage the consequences of change that happen, particularly when there's a public health impact potentially. And so that's why there's this discussion around this epidemiological approach to how we actually have thought about this debate, thought about this issue, thought about this challenge that's associated with climate change and how we actually address it. And so to piggyback on that point further, and that emphasis around the consequences of innovation, I actually have two areas of consideration. And the first one is looking at high-frequency trading. There's been a lot of discussion around bubbles, and there's a particular interest in terms of how high-frequency trading might be helping to contribute to some of the market instabilities and volatility that have characterized the marketplace. And then secondly, we're taking a look at the impact of the Cold War and how the U.S. actually manages the nuclear arsenal that we have post-Cold War. And so we're going to take a look at some video segments that have been prepared by 60 Minutes, and in fact one of the shows that you're actually watching actually aired this evening. And so the intent there is again to understand that innovation does have some practical implications for us. It also has some implications for us long term that perhaps we've not considered at the outset, and being able to account for that is important, because again there may be some ramifications down the road that we hadn't quite anticipated. And so I look forward to the insights that you're going to glean from that. I look forward to your final paper, which is your innovation analysis. I talked about that deliverable a few weeks ago. There are some specific guidelines in your syllabus, so please take a look. And again, you want to encompass the full body of the work that you've been doing over the course of the semester. So there's lots of reading, there's lots of concepts, there's lots of literature that can really inform this analysis that you are going to complete as a part of your final deliverables. So have a wonderful week of learning. As always, please feel free to let me know if you have any questions. Take care. Bye-bye.